I'm going to replace 2n with the x. That negative 2 is separate than the x squared. If you are confused, please draw an arrow on the exponent to both the 3 and to the 2. Both to the 3 and to the 2. I'm sorry, I was looking outside. A 3 and the n. Can you get this, please? Sorry, I got distracted. 3 squared is 9, and n squared is n squared. I'm going to distribute this negative 2 to get negative 18n squared plus 3n minus 4. That's all I can do. For f of 1, that's the simplest of it. So I have 1 squared plus 1 minus 4. There was confusion in the past. Do I multiply first and then take the exponent, or do I do the exponent first? When we are evaluating this and we think of this as an expression, we follow PEMDAS squared in the normal way. So it says first do the exponent. So 1 squared is 1. Okay, then we get to do multiplying later on. So 1 squared is 1. This is negative 2 plus 1 minus 4. And when I combine those, I get negative 1 and negative 4 is negative 5. Can you raise your hand if you were able to achieve that same answer? Nobody. Okay, a couple of us. Okay, let's go on to the very last one. I'm going to go off to the side where I have more room. I'm going to replace the x with n plus 4. So n plus 4, I'm going back up to this original function. Remember, the negative 2 is outside, and I have n plus 4 squared plus n plus 4 minus 4. Do not distribute the negative 2. First, I'm going to start by writing n plus 4 twice. Next is I'm going to do that foiling in my head. So when I foil this, I'm going to multiply the fronts, I'm going to multiply the backs, and then I do the inside and the outside, and I'll do that part in my head. So the outside is positive 4n, the inside is positive 4n, and when I combine those, I get 8n. And now I'm going to distribute the negative 2, and then I will combine like terms. Negative 2n squared, negative 16n, negative 32, plus n, plus 4, minus 4. And I can go back and just combine like terms. So I see these two cancel out. And I have f of n plus 4 is equivalent to negative 2n squared minus 15n minus 32. Is that the exact same answer we end up with? It is.